Today I'm going to discuss how to keep your batteries charged really well while you have your cars parked during this stay-at-home time with what we're facing or working from home, and your cars sit for about a week or two at a time, or you drive it for a few days and it's parked for a week or so. But this is good practice to do if you commute all week and then have your car sit for the weekend while you use the family vehicle. So the pointer is to use a type of trickle charger that has these features on it right here. So I have two different brands here, and you can see they're all basically labeled the same. So they have a way to basically do a floating charge that will keep your battery maintained, and it will also fix a battery that's kind of starting to deteriorate because of that floating charge. So this is something really to look into for extending the life of your battery. These are the two brands I got, but what I look for basically is that they're 1.5 amps or more. And these have been serving me really well. They also have a nice feature of 6 to 12 volts if you have a golf cart or some 6-volt battery stuff for the kids' toys. And they do come with a cable like this that you can hook up for your car, come out of the grill. But I don't like to use this because if the hood's down and I'm in a hurry, I might forget it and then end up pulling the charger out of the wall and dragging it. So I like to open up the hoods and have the alligator clips on, and that way I know it's getting fully charged as well. Here is what a fully loaded battery would look like. It would have both of them. So let me simulate just plugging it into the wall and then having the battery figure out what's going on. So first it will test, and then it will start to scan your battery. It knows it's over 50% full. It did that quick test, and now it tells you it's full. And I can switch from 12 to 6 volt by hitting this, and if I hooked them up wrong, it'll do the error. So if I put positive on negative and negative on positive, it will notify me. So there's a lot of smarts in these little trickle chargers. Again, this car has been sitting here for a week, and just on that trickle charger, and I just disconnected the battery. But I'll show you why I like doing this. This is the remote start, and I'm going to start the car and just listen to how it cranks. There you have it. You see that the battery starts up the car really quickly, has a lot of juice, and I had it off, those alligators clips off for about a half an hour, but I just wanted to simulate how nice they charge up your battery. And this battery is from 2017, and I live in the northern Wisconsin areas, so there you go. It's been through below zero weather and so on, and still holding up really well. And it's 2021. So doing this on the weekends as well helps your battery last maybe 2x what it usually does. I hope you found this informative. Again, look for chargers that are 1.5 amp or higher, and they have all these nice features that they can maintain your battery, float charge it, and also try to maintain that battery. And in some cases, they even fix a battery that's slightly reduced in power. So I hope you found this informative. Please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and could use more subscribers to keep this channel alive. Again, thank you very much for taking the time to make it to the end. Have a good day.